In the last video, we spoke about fine-tuning our AI agent so it runs ads exactly pretty much the same way you would want to run the ads. However, today, if you do get some AI actions and you kind of like the majority of what the agent wants to do, but there's one point that bothers you, a budget or an ad it picked or whatever it may be, you can also just edit that action before you ask AdAmigo to implement it, right? So I have here in this example account, it wants to create a new campaign, a prospecting campaign with two audiences inside, which I find quite interesting. It picks the audiences and the names and everything like that. And here at the very end, it talks about ad level configuration. So it talks about the exact ads it wants to duplicate into these new ad sets, right? Let's just say, for the sake of it, that this ad right here, ad name, ad while you sleep, ads optimizing themselves, I don't like that ad anymore, or it's promoting an offer that is not so relevant anymore, or whatever it may be, right? So I can just go in here, edit, scroll down, find this change, delete it, hit submit, and then it will update itself. You hit apply, and then the updated action gets applied into the account without this ad in it, right? And so that way if there's some small things you want to change, you can do that. If, of course, remember what we spoke about in the previous video when we talked about fine tuning. If this is something more systemic, so let's say this ad is, for example, a part of a campaign that is completely different. It's a completely different offer, and I run two different campaigns with different offers, for example, and I cannot mix those creatives. One is for men and the other one is for female. Usually the AI anyways understands these kinds of things, but if it didn't, right, you can just go into custom preferences and then specify it, right? Don't duplicate ads from campaigns with campaign name contains male into ads into campaigns, right, with campaign name contains female, and vice versa, right? So this could be then a way to fix it so that you don't have to continuously edit the AI actions before you apply them. But now you can edit them before they get applied into that account. And I hope this was helpful, and see you in the next video.